Welcome everybody, you're watching Mr. Fugu Data Science. Now, I've been gone for a little while, a little over a month actually, and it's been a grueling time. My laptop died, my phone died, and I had to replace everything and basically start from scratch and try to recover whatever I could. For those who have reached out needing a little bit of help, I apologize. I was in no position to help anyone, not even myself. No work, no videos, nothing was achieved in this time. A lot of money and frustration, but that's just how it goes sometimes. I'm up and going. I should be posting a video in the next few days, I think. If you got any questions, want a little help, feel free to reach out and contact me as usual. Now, thank you for those who have stuck by, as well as those who are recent subscribers. For those who have unsubscribed, or may have felt that I wasn't there for them when they needed help, I apologize. I tried to reach out and explain to those who sent me a message, and I hope you understand. Let's get everything back on track, start off with a good year, and I hope you're doing well. That's the end of this one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you everybody. Bye.